Hi everyone, this is Jhalak and welcome to my channel Sassy Ordinate. And today we are going to learn some small tricks, little ideas or hack that can convert your ordinary dress into a celebrity look or glance. You can straight away get a celebrity look, and within just few minutes, it won't take much time. You just have to do the steps as I am showing you. It's just require few things that are easily available in market, so it's so affordable. So let's step into our first hack using Gota lace or Gota ribbon. For this we require fabric glue, scissor and Gota. Prefer E8000 fabric glue. Now take the dress and make sure that there are no wrinkles on it. Then place the Gota over it and remember to take some extra portion for safe side before cutting. Then repeat the procedure all over the dress or as you want. I am doing this only at the upper part of my dress. Here I have taken 0.25 inch golden Gota. There are many varieties available on the internet. I'll provide the link in the description box given below. And yes, don't miss the second hack, otherwise you'll regret it for sure. It's for both male and female. Here we have done a one side. Now we'll do the same in diagonally opposite direction. Once we have done that, we'll take E8000 glue and paste these Gota on the dress. Then press that Gota a bit. Here we have pasted our one side. Now check the edges. Apply extra glue on it if required. Here I'm going to fold the edges like this because the edges are in the middle of the dress. Here I have applied fabric glue and then fold a bit and then again applied a fabric glue and then pasted over the dress. Now paste the other side. If you'll do this on the whole dress, it will look like this. It's from Shein. I was just scrolling and I saw this, so it's from Shein. And this is how my dress looks like after this little hack. Now moving towards the second hack. Here you need scissors, CD disc and glue E8000. Now you just have to break that CD disc and you'll see two layers, out of which one is shiny, and this is what we are going to use. Now use a sharp scissor to cut it into such pieces that I have done. Now place the pieces as you want to design your dress. There are many other kinds of mirror tiles available on the internet. Here I am using non-stretchable material, so I can use the CD hack. Otherwise, if you are using a stretchable dress, then use the mirror tiles that are available in the market or online, as they have holes for stitching. I'll suggest you to first paste the mirror on the dress and then remove the protective layer and then stitch them. It will save you a lot of time. Now here are some celebs wearing such kind of dresses. Here is Kareena Kapoor wearing such a beautiful dress made up of mirror tiles, and here is Malaika Arora. And there are many other celebs who have worn such kind of dresses. Boys can also use this hack. Here's the men coat and jacket of brand name Balmain Paris. This is really expensive and you can make it with almost zero money by using this hack. There are many other things available for male like mirror tie, and I'll share the link. You can check the prices of Balmain coat and jacket. And here are some mirror dress design from Sherry Hill brand. There are many other brands, so you can check it out on your own and can get inspired by them to make one of your own designer piece. I had given you all the information, so let's come back to what I was doing. So here I have done my adjustment. Here I have leave little space between the CD disc pieces so that I can get a little highlighted look. And yes, one thing I forgot to tell you is that you can also cut market mirror tiles with the help of scissor. It'll help you in occupying little space which left behind in between of your mirror tiles, so it can help you in covering that part. Now here I have done the adjustment, and now I'll paste these mirror with the help of this glue. I have taken here fabric glue. I'll suggest for you to take E8000, that is more reliable. So now I'm just taking one piece and applying the glue and putting it back in the same manner so that my look doesn't get destroyed. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask and let me know your views in the comment section down below. If you like my video, then give your support by hitting subscribe and like button. And here's how my dress look like. I don't have much CD disc, so I was able to cover this much part only. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Stay tuned, stay healthy, stay happy.